When your Sceptre monitor shows a blue light but no display, understanding what this indicator means is the first step to diagnosing the problem. The blue light on your Sceptre monitor communicates different states. A solid blue light means the monitor is receiving both power and signal correctly. A blinking blue light indicates the monitor is in standby mode or searching for a signal. However, when you see a blue light with a black screen, this typically indicates a hardware problem. Research shows that 70% of blue light issues stem from power supply problems. 25% are caused by signal processing issues, while only 5% result from complete hardware failures. Power supply problems are the most common culprit. These typically involve capacitor degradation, where the small cylindrical components on the circuit board fail over time. Voltage regulation failures can also occur, preventing proper power delivery to the display components. Additionally, backlight inverter malfunctions can cause the screen to remain dark even when the monitor receives power. Signal processing issues account for about 25% of cases. These include HDMI or DisplayPort handshake failures, where the monitor and computer cannot properly communicate. Scaling board malfunctions can prevent the monitor from processing the incoming video signal correctly. Firmware corruption, though less common, can also disrupt the monitor's ability to display images. An important note for Sceptre monitor owners: units manufactured between 2020 and 2022 have shown significantly higher failure rates for these power supply and signal processing issues. If your monitor falls within this manufacturing period, it may be more susceptible to these problems. Understanding these common causes of the blue light issue helps you identify the right troubleshooting approach. Whether it's a power supply problem, signal processing issue, or hardware failure, knowing the most likely culprits guides your diagnostic process effectively. When your Sceptre monitor shows a blue light but no display, start with these immediate troubleshooting steps. First, perform a complete power cycle to reset the internal electronics. Unplug your monitor from power for 30 seconds. While unplugged, hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then reconnect and test. If power cycling doesn't work, verify your cable connections. Test with different HDMI or DisplayPort cables, and try alternative input sources to isolate the problem. If basic troubleshooting fails, the issue is likely with the power supply. Most Sceptre monitor problems stem from degraded capacitors in the internal power circuit. The most common culprits are electrolytic capacitors that have degraded over time. Look for capacitors with bulging tops or leaked electrolyte. These need replacement. Common failing capacitors include 1000 microfarad 25 volt and 470 microfarad 25 volt units. These cost $10 to $20 in parts, but require basic soldering skills. Consider your options carefully. DIY repair costs $10 to $20, but requires technical skills. Professional repair runs $80 to $150. Compare these costs against replacing the monitor, especially for older models. Success rates are high for power supply repairs at 78%, but weigh the costs and your technical comfort level when deciding between repair and replacement.